uh, dice on Meyo. So what you do is you simply join a party, that's the family party, then you click on the icon sitting in the bottom left corner. So when you click there, it will load. So what it is the moment it loads, time will be ticking, check in the bottom right corner there, you'll see time is ticking down. So what you do is there's only two possibilities. It's either you have a small number or you have a big number. So what you need to do is you bet. You simply pick on the number of coins that you're going to bet. Is it 10? Is it 100? Okay, so now they're saying I didn't bet and time had ticked down. So what you do is you simply pick on the number of you select the number of coins there. Are you going to bet 10? Are you going to bet 100? Is it 1k? Thereafter, you select on either small or big. So you're saying when the die is actually tossed, it will either land in a big number or a small number. So you see? And there we go. That was a big number. So if I'd picked on a big number, I could have won. So that's how we do it. And by so doing, you multiply the golds. I never knew anytime I would buy golds, I would quickly use them on communication without multiplying them. My God! I hope you'll be able to multiply them. There are just two. The box in the top left and the box in the top right. So that you pick on small or you pick on big. So this time around, it's a small number. It's simply better. That's how we do it. Wish you a big win.